National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern LaSalle County in north-central Illinois, Ogle County in north-central Illinois, Lee County in north-central Illinois, DeKalb County in north-central Illinois, Winnebago County in north-central Illinois, western McHenry County in northeastern Illinois, Boone County in north-central Illinois, until 11 p.m. At 9:58 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Durand to near Oregon to near Princeton, moving northeast at 65 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and nickel-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Rockford, Belvedere, Loves Park, McChesney Park, Sycamore, Dixon, Rochelle, South Beloit, Brockton, Mendota, Genoa, Oregon, Mount Morris, Shabuna, Walton, Rockford Airport, DeKalb, Roscoe, Poplar Grove, and Cortland. Including the following interstates: Interstate 39 between mile markers 69 and 123. Interstate 88 between mile markers 46 and 95. Interstate 90 between mile markers 1 and 2, and between mile markers 47 and 76. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. The National Weather Service in Milwaukee-Sullivan has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for western Walworth County in southeastern Wisconsin, Rock County in south-central Wisconsin, until 10:30 p.m. At 9:58 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Footsville, or near Janesville, moving northeast at 65 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and penny-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Janesville, Beloit, Whitewater, Milton, Edgerton, Clinton, Darien, Orfordville, Footsville, Richmond, Fulton, LaGrange, Newark, Tiffany, Hanover, Millard, Avalon, Allens Grove, Chapir, and Afton. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.